Yo, what is going on? It is Monday, March 16th, 6:03 p.m. and today I did take a trade, got break even. I lost like 48 bucks because the way that the cloud-based copy trader works, if it moves fast, like it's not going to sync the orders perfectly. So basically like it hit my break even. My break even was under a good amount. Also, I got break even by one fucking tick, bro. Like look at this shit. This was the trade today. Look how close that shit was to hitting TP. And you see where my break even was, and yeah, it fucked me. So yeah, I lost $10 across all 5 accounts. I lost 50 bucks. Bro, it was literally 1 point away. Oh my goodness, bro. But yeah, that was today's trade. Now let's get into the day. So let's take a look. It's obviously gonna say 000 because it's 6 o'clock. So I didn't get here in time. I didn't do my video in time to have the correct thing. I'm gonna start taking screenshots of it so that it looks better. So I could do this more setup wise. That's what I need to do is take screenshots. But yeah. Okay, let's close out of this. Today was a contract rollover as well. Honestly, not terrible PA again. A lot of IFVGs have been playing out. I really feel like I'm mixing together my discretionary model with a lot of order blocks and respective fair value gaps targeting draw and liquidity, mixed with the way Will has been trading as well as far as like the lowest fair value gap in the leg. But I've been doing it on the 1 minute time frame, and that to me has been working as far as my forward test goes. And even my entries have been a lot of break evens, but I did get that win last week, and this should have honestly been a win. It's just unfortunate the way it goes. So right here was the trade, but let's get into it. So coming into the day, I was bullish. Why? Because we had previous day high in this daily fair value gap on both of the indexes, whatever the fuck. And if we take a look just right from, shit, it's all fucked up because, yeah. But yeah, we take a look right here. Look, right at 6 p.m. open, we've just been trending upwards, like nothing but straight bullish pressure today. We mitigated this 1 hour gap right at open. We SMT'd inside of it and mitigated it. Oh no, did we SMT inside of it? No, we didn't SMT inside of it until over here. No, we did right here. Open SMT'd inside of it. Yes. Open SMT'd inside of it, where we then seen a pretty decent, just higher close up here. Where if you wanted to gamble, you could have taken basically the confirmation like this, closing over the 930 wick, going break even right here if you want to just. Oh no, this wick had taken it before the body closed. Never mind. But yeah, never mind. Then right here, we just chop back down. This honestly was going to be an entry if we were able to like close up here, just because I was just so bullish, bro. I'm not going to lie. And yeah, coming out of this 5 minute, we had a 30-second gap in here. This actually, if you took this, there was a 30-second gap like right here. If you would have taken it as soon as the 30-second closed, in 10 seconds, you would have delivered. This is more so what Will's been trading, not me. I'm more of a 1 minute entry trigger kind of guy. Then right here, we had another possible entry. I'm not going to lie. Where was it? It was right here, right? Right there. Let me double check before I give false information. Yes, it was right here. So I'm not going to lie, right? We had this internal SMT reacting out of this 5 minute. We're obviously still in clear bullish order flow. The drawn liquidity is still resting above in this previous day high. So this candle, I seen like the last 10 seconds of it. I hop on M&Q and I start, doing my thing like to get my risk ready. The last 5 seconds, this shit flew and I didn't have my risk ready in time. But this would have been the entry. See, I was gonna take this, but it just flew in the last 5 seconds and I didn't have time to get my risk parameter set up. Just a 1-to-1. 20 points. I know myself. I would have aimed for 20 points. So boom, it would have been this straight fucking bankroll. And then we chopped around. Left a bit of uncertainty here because obviously I'm still gonna be bullish. Look at the drawn liquidity. It's 50 points away. It's still on both assets. And we have previous day high. So I'm still in my head entry to previous day high. What have we been seeing recently? A lot of displacement in one direction at the end of a session. That's been common since last week if we look back at the charts. Now we start getting this strong ass displacement, and this is when I want to see so we had equal lows right here. This was the target. I wanted to see us inverse this, confirm all of the, close under all of these just to get like full break of structure, market structure shifts. We even got this was fucking the pudding, bro. I would have entered off of this alone if we didn't have this fair value gap here, like if I wasn't combining them both. We mitigated this 1 minute and we bearish closed out. I set a limit order on NQ. Let me show you. It was 6 contracts. My fucking equal lows and highs indicator has been a shit. Where's it at? Right here. So we had gotten I want to say, you know, I got in right here. I want to say I got in like right here. Got in right here and was targeting 3, like just under these equal lows. 73 is what I was targeting. So yeah, look, this is what we got edged by. Stop loss was right here. Tight ass stop, bro. Yeah, I'm getting into it now. I'm cooking with it now. Yeah, I'm cooking with it now, boys. Stop was like, yeah, stop was around. Stop was like right around here just to get like this. And it was to go in 6. 190. Yeah, it was like 200 risk or some shit like that. And it was to make like 220, like, yeah, like this, right? It's to make like 220 something. Yeah, perfect. Look, bro, by literally a point, bro. And break even. And like I said, because Replicanto, I'm not Replicanto, it's a cloud-based system. I ended up losing 48.90. Was risking 201 across all accounts. So that means my stop loss was right here. Perfect, bang. That's exactly what it was. Internal SMT, which the internal SMT was up here. We had strong bearish displacement, bearish order flow, respect of the 1 minute fair value gap right here. We confirmed this order block. We had the equal lows below, which is a great internal draw on liquidity. I still wanted to see this 9 a.m. low get ran out. And yeah, as you can see, price ultimately did deliver it. Would have stopped me out and then completely shit the bed down right to where TP would have been. Very annoying. It sucks that even my break even was an L, but yeah, it's good to just see my read on price. It's good to see me reacting and entering. Sucks that I couldn't get in over here, but I think this is an A-rated trade. This is exactly what I want to be trading. Quick in and out would have been the 30-second delivery. Just really fucking sucks. This honestly just really fucking sucks. Look at how close it was to hitting TP, man. That just really fucking sucks. Yeah. Just really fucking sucks. Honestly, could have just gotten out at my 1-to-1. What would this have been? No, I'm risking. Was not risking that much. I was risking this. Yeah, I could have even more than a 1-to-1. No, I was not risking 7. What the fuck? I was risking 6. I was 100% risking 6. Yeah. Yeah, and I need at least 200. So I know myself. I like those flat number. Yeah. Yeah, it just wasn't going to work. It's all good, man. Sucks that I took an L technically, but it's really a break even. But yeah, that's about all that I have for today. I got off immediately after that. Just patience, and it's going to play out. It's going to pay off. We had all this LRO. It just made sense, yeah. It's going to pay off. I promise. That's a fucking fact. So with that being said, peace, love, positivity. Everybody have a blessed rest of your day. I will catch you guys tomorrow.